This is exciting.
Yeah.
The University of Texas and the U.S. Army are joining forces to help Uber build flying cars.
UT today hosted a tour of the technology on the J.J. Pickle Research Campus, which doesn't happen very often. KVUE's Rebecca Trejo takes us inside the lab.
These here behind me are rotor blades developed by researchers at UT's Cockrell School of Engineering. They're a lot quieter than typical helicopter blades, and they're being tested so that Uber can use them in their air taxis that are expected to be open to commercial use in several years. You can hardly hear it. The quiet whirring of these rotor blades. And that's the whole point.
It's extremely exciting.
Researchers and scientists at UT created these blades for Uber to use for its flying taxis. The goal now is to make them as quiet as possible, so by the time the flying vehicles fill the sky, people on the ground hardly hear the noise. Christopher Cameron is working on the project.
We're particularly interested in the acoustics because that's going to be a major challenge going forward for operating these sorts of vehicles in urban environments.
Uber says their rideshare air taxis will have a pilot, be powered by electricity, travel about 150 miles per hour, and cruise 1,000 to 2,000 feet in the air.
You pull out the app and you put in your ride, push a button, get a ride. You will either walk to a nearby vertiport or maybe take an Uber to a nearby vertiport where you'll get on this aircraft that'll fly you across town above traffic for that 25 to 60 mile leg of your trip. You'll go down out of the building after you get off the aircraft and then either walk to your final destination or take another Uber.
Uber says each flying vehicle will have 4 passenger seats. It says the Federal Aviation Administration will regulate this new air travel. Uber says they hope to have their air taxis available for demonstrations in 2020 and open to commercial use in 2023. Reporting in North Austin, Rebecca Trejo, KVUE News.
So some important details Rebecca shared with us. We asked how much a trip will cost. One of the engineers says it could be about $2 per mile. They do plan to operate these only in Dallas and Los Angeles with hopes of expanding to other large cities. So starting there first. We'll see.
It'd be exciting.
Would you take one?
I would like to see it happen in Dallas and Los Angeles first, see how it goes.
Let other people be the guinea pigs.
Yeah, and then maybe ease into it after that.
Yeah.